So after 5 years, going into our 6th season, I'm taking this apart right down to the inside of the stack. I've got ceramic insulation wrapped around it, held on with copper wire, some Romex that I stripped. I'm being careful not to breathe in this stuff if I can manage it. It's not healthy. I'm going to open this up and see what it looks like. This sleeve of galvanized, which has been through numerous heat cycles, is all corroded. I'm going to clean this off and see how much debris is in there. That's 5 seasons. I know some sap has dripped down over time, not syrup, but sap. The coils themselves still seem to be in good shape. I'm going to get all this debris and ash out of there, and I'm going to rewrap it, reseal it, and get ready for season number 6. Here we go. When I originally made this, I didn't realize I had this little crimp in there. This is the exit into the pan, so it's going to sit like this. And that's a bummer because that impedes that flow, not terribly, but I'm afraid to try and straighten that. If I kink it, then I've got to reroute this or work on it. So I'm probably just going to leave that here. I wish I had some kind of a miniature pipe bender. But that's what it looks like after 5 years. I'm going to clean up this very gently. I'm putting this insulation right back on. This is ceramic insulation. Blanket insulation is fine. I'll put that cover on it. I'll tape it up. But of course, first I want to make sure this is unplugged and clear and ready for the next season. So I never took a video of when I put this back together, but basically I just replaced the same exterior piping that I had, chimney flue, put on some new metal tape that you use on ductwork, and that's it. I always put something on the ends here when I'm storing these, so the mud daubers don't fill them with mud during the spring and summer. But this thing is good to go. It's ready for the 2026 season. It's going to be season, I think, number 7. Preheating our sap. Hit that like button, hit the share. Check out some of my other videos. I've got the build video in here as well. Look on my playlist, and we'll see you guys on the next one.